Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to use speed dial with the T9 on your iPhone 17. So actually, the first thing you have to do is to open your phone over here and open the keypad. Once here, you can, if you want to, for example, call Anna, you can just type A, and here you have to find N. As you can see, Andre, and this is the number to Andres, I have no idea how to pronounce that. And here, instead of the number to 5, we do have AN26A. And you know how the T9 works if you search for that. So yeah, if I, for example, want to call Lucy, I'm going to tap L and where is you? L-U-C. As I can see, this is the number for Jacob, not for Lucy, but let's, for example, type Jacob, J-A-C, where is C here? O-B, Jacob. We can call Jacob right now, but that's how it works. Goodbye.